Doors is such a good game. So much lively players, so much nature. The community is just absolutely perfect.
That's the outro! That's the outro, not the
Okay, it could be an intro as well.
Put it
Oh,
in
did
there! That doesn't mean I'm not a part of it. If you can't win them, join them.
You know, it's definitely not a scary game, and I totally understand what people mean by that. It's a piece of art.
Yeah, come Oh shit, I thought I was gonna fucking shit myself.
Nothing can compare to this. Even Leonardo da Vinci is impressed. This is one of the most artistic games known to mankind.